Ever feel like your entire life is spread across dozens of different apps? Your tasks are in one place, your notes in another, and your projects, well, they're somewhere, if you can even remember where you've put them. What if you had one system to manage everything? Tasks, projects, notes, journaling, even clients. A system that doesn't just store information, but actually helps you stay focused and move forward. This is the Organised Life OS, my complete organization system in Notion. Whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or just someone who wants a more organized life, this system brings everything together into one place. And today I'm going to give you the full tour. Let's start with the heart of the system, the dashboard. This is where everything comes together. You have your daily tasks, quick access to life areas and projects, notes and clippings, and even a journal prompt to keep you reflecting regularly. Each drop-down menu on the dashboard is a mini view of the larger database. You can select through various filtered views or go straight into the larger database directly to see everything. The task management system is built around the getting things done principles. Every task is categorized by priority, project, and due dates. The best part? It's all connected to your projects automatically. This makes it super easy to see exactly what needs your attention, so no more endless to-do lists. Life isn't just about work. That's why I've built dedicated templates for different areas like personal and work to family and friends. Each life area is the equivalent to a mini Life OS template by itself, containing sections from tasks, projects, notes and clippings to your journals and goals. This is your knowledge hub, a place to store everything you're learning or researching, with built-in templates for meeting notes, book summaries, and even content ideas. Any note can also be linked to your notebook. Everything is searchable and organized, so you can always find what you need when you need it. Just click the drop-down button to access the menu. The quick capture toggle brings down all the buttons for easy access to new tasks, projects, areas, goals. Each one of these buttons sets the category into the inbox, and this can be accessed in the quick drop inbox. For example, if I click new tasks, it gives me the side panel, but it also appears in the quick drop inbox. So this will be a test 1. I can set the importance through the priority matrix. So important and urgent, do immediately. Important or urgent. I can set the date for today. Once it is done, I can click Add System and it disappears from the quick drop inbox. Close that side panel and it will now appear in today's tasks list view. So the project section can be accessed by this click down button here, where you can access the projects directly, or you can go into the main database by clicking the title. And these are the tasks that are connected to the project, so you can see them directly without having to go into the project. If we do an example project, I need a full screen. You can see the individual tasks or notes connected to this project. So if I create a new task by clicking this button, it brings me up the page in side peek. Example task for project 1. You can see that it's already connected automatically to the project example 1, example 1. We'll set it as important, we'll do it today, we'll add it to the system. It'll appear in the project tasks, but it will also appear in today's tasks overall. Example task for project 1. And there it is. And that's projects. So that's everything for now. I will be continuing to add new databases to this template over the coming months, such as a client portal for you to manage all your clients and tasks, and a content creation section for staying on top of your social media content and videos. If you would like to download this template, just type template in the comments below and I will send you the link. If you would like to see me do a build along series, where we can build a template just like this one. Type build in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.